ડિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, હવે આજે આપણે સેકન્ડ વિડીયો ટ્રાન્ઝિસ્ટર્સમાં જોઈશું. આજનો વિડીયો જે છે આપણો ઓપરેશન ઓફ ટ્રાન્ઝિસ્ટર્સ. હવે આપણે જાણીએ છીએ કે ટ્રાન્ઝિસ્ટર ઇઝ ધ ટુ ટાઈપ્સ, NPN and PNP. Here we are discuss operation of an NPN transistors. For the transistor actions, we know that we need the biasing supply voltage at the input side and output side. So here external biasing of the junction is provided by the battery VEE and VCC. VEE normally called is the voltage supply given as a forward bias to emitter side, and VCC is the voltage supply biasing to the collector side. So these are the voltage given as a forward bias and reverse bias, because we know that the transistor will actively work EF. Here written is the EF, it means emitter is the forward bias and CR is the collector is the reverse bias. It means the emitter are connected negative terminal of the battery and the collectors are connected positive terminal of the VCC battery. So this forward bias and reverse bias conditions, we know that at the junction 1 which make between the emitter and base, this junction 1 is a very less depletion region. That's why the here N type material emitter has a majority charge carriers of electrons, and these electrons called as a capital X is gone easily from emitter to base. So emitter to base, they are crossover, and in the base we know that base is a less doping. Less doping, it means what? There are the majority charge carriers holes, but the numbers of holes is very low. So holes, value of the holes is very low. That's why the electrons come from the emitters are recombined in the base with the small amount of the holes. So here is a small electrons are absorbed in the base is small x. So as the 2% of electrons from coming from the emitters are in the base, most of the 98% of electrons are going at the collector sides. Now here collector is the area is the big, but the doping is a less compared to emitter. So less numbers of electrons and they are available space for the collecting the electrons emitting from the emitter. Now these three actions are divided in a emitter action, base actions and collector actions. Now see we here the emitter actions, as we saw the forward bias conditions, emitter based junctions, large numbers of electrons, capital X electrons per second cross the junctions and enter into base. Same way, very small number of holes, it means Y holes per second, flow from the base to emitter, and current can flow is the emitter current. Now this emitter current is the become INE plus IP. INE is the due to majority charge carriers in emitter, and IP is the due to majority charge carriers holes from the base. But lightly doped of the base, this is IP is the negligible compared to INE. It means I is equal to INE. So these are the emitter current in emitter section. Now same way we are discuss as a base actions. So in base actions 2% are absorbed from the emitter to base electrons coming out here, and the 98% are going in the collector sides. Now we diffuse into the base from the emitter, recombine with the holes in the base, and the flow of equal number of electrons from the base to the positive terminal of the battery, because BE are connected positive terminal to base. That's why the flow of such electrons is the base current. And same way in a collectors from base to remaining number of electrons reaching the depletion region is the 98%. It is X, capital X minus small x, and these electrons are swept out into collector by reverse bias voltage. So reverse bias voltages are there. That's why the collector gives the rise current. It's called collector current, and finally the external circuit we get the I is equal to IB plus IC. This is the fundamental equation of current in a transistor circuit. Now same way here we are also discuss the operation of PNP transistor. Here I give the diagrams. Just we change the negative terminal of VE in the previous is connected with A is the positive, and the positive is the negative. These are the change. And another change is that replace the holes in place of electrons. It means the operation of PNP and NPN is the same, but change is all is the negative is the positive and positive is the negative, and the direction of the current will be change or reverse. So this way we are understand that the operation of transistors can working. So in the next slide or next video we can see the types of transistors configuration and its characteristics. Thank you.